Our programs offer many languages. Please visit suprememastertv.com/schedule.
Nos programmes offrent plusieurs langues. Veuillez visiter suprememastertv.com/schedule.
Nuestros programas ofrecen varios idiomas. Visiten suprememastertv.com/schedule.
Nossos programas oferecem vários idiomas. Acesse suprememastertv.com/schedule.
हमारे कार्यक्रम पेश किए जाते कई भाषाओं में कृपया देखें suprememastertv.com/schedule。
我们的节目提供多种语言，请看 suprememastertv.com/schedule。
Rancangan kami menawarkan banyak bahasa. Sila kunjungi suprememastertv.com/kataban-schedule.
برامجنا متوفرة بالعديد من اللغات. يرجى زيارة suprememastertv.com/schedule.
Наши программы предлагают много языков. Пожалуйста, посмотрите suprememastertv.com/schedule.
Programele noastre oferă multe limbi. Vă puteți uita pe suprememastertv.com/schedule.
He's really determined to stop the Buddha going to Nirvana. He's really determined to keep the Buddha here. So he would keep telling all this sacrifice to remind the Buddha the purpose of his Buddhahood. Without this Brahman, the Buddha would have gone to Nirvana, and we wouldn't have Buddhism. We wouldn't have all this story.
Please continue watching to find out more.
Supreme Master Ching Hai's lectures are not a complete meditation instruction. Please do not try alone. For free of charge guidance, please visit godsdirectcontact.org or contact any of our centers near you.
Today's episode will be presented in English with subtitle in Arabic, Aulacese, also known as Vietnamese, Bulgarian, Chinese, English, French, German, Hindi, Hungarian, Indonesian, Japanese, Korean, Malay, Mongolian, Persian, Polish, Portuguese, Punjabi, Romanian, Russian, Spanish, and Thai. Mes aimables salutations, précieux téléspectateurs. Je suis Vincent de la Bretagne dans la France artistique. Notre peuple fidèle souhaite que votre noble mode de vie s'épanouisse avec amour et embellisse notre monde. La France est connue comme l'un des pays les plus romantiques au monde et elle est réputée pour sa cuisine, sa culture et son histoire. Le pays est une des destinations touristiques les plus populaires depuis fort longtemps. Et c'est sans surprise compte tenu de ses nombreuses attractions célèbres telles que le côté chic de la ville de Paris, la Côte d'Azur ensoleillée, les châteaux de la Loire, le Louvre à Paris, considéré comme l'un des musées les plus célèbres du monde. Et bien plus encore. La philosophie moderne est née en France avec le philosophe René Descartes, qui a produit certaines des œuvres les plus importantes et les plus influentes du siècle des Lumières, qui se sont répandues en Europe et dans le monde. L'architecture gothique et baroque est également née en France et a été acclamée dans le monde entier. Les premiers monuments de ce type étant la basilique de Saint-Denis, la cathédrale Notre-Dame de Paris et le château de Versailles. La peinture impressionniste, appréciée de par le monde, est née avec entre autres des artistes français avant-gardistes de renom tels que Cézanne, Degas, Matisse, Monet et Renoir. Véritable précurseur mondial, la France progresse rapidement en matière de protection des animaux et de politique écologique. La Vegan Pride comprend 3 jours de manifestations et de réunions avec des politiciens faisant campagne contre la cruauté envers les animaux. C'est un grand événement qui est organisé chaque année à Paris. Des milliers de Français célèbrent aussi la journée sans viande le 20 mars, le premier jour du printemps, en partageant leur amour de la nourriture végétalienne dans le cadre de cet événement international inspirant. La France est un pays magnifique à bien des égards, et sa beauté est due en partie aux citoyens français aimants et pleins d'âme. Nous sommes ravis de vous présenter brièvement la célèbre France, téléspectateurs bienveillants. Nous prions le ciel de remplir vos journées de rire, d'amour et de bénédiction. Depuis plus de 3 décennies, le Maître suprême Ching Hai éclaire notre monde de ses enseignements divins. Maître totalement illuminé, elle enseigne la méthode de méditation Guanyin à ceux qui désirent découvrir immédiatement la nature de Dieu intérieur et parvenir en cette vie à la libération éternelle du cycle de la réincarnation. La méthode Guanyin a été pratiquée par tous les maîtres illuminés, tels que le Bouddha, Confucius, Guru Nanak, Jésus-Christ, Lao Tse, le Seigneur Krishna, le Seigneur Mahavira, le prophète Mahomet, que la paix soit avec lui, et bien d'autres. Elle souligne que si nous nous souvenons toujours de Dieu, rendons service aux autres de façon désintéressée et suivons les lois de l'univers, nous atteindrons notre potentiel le plus élevé en tant qu'être humain et comprendrons vraiment notre mission sur Terre. Le Maître suprême Ching Hai est un extraordinaire exemple vivant de compassion, envoyant régulièrement une aide matérielle et financière, ainsi que de l'amour aux réfugiés, aux sans-abri, aux victimes de catastrophes naturelles et à d'autres nécessitant des secours. Le Maître suprême Ching Hai est profondément reconnaissant envers Dieu bien-aimé pour toute l'aide financière, le réconfort et soutien qu'elle a pu apporter aux affligés et nécessiteux et ou à toute bonne cause au fil des ans, en tant qu'humble instrument de sa compassion et de son amour pour ses précieux enfants.
Le Maître suprême Ching Hai remercie respectueusement tous les individus spéciaux, organisations, leaders et gouvernements pour tout votre soutien sincère, aimant et continuel. Que le ciel vous bénisse pour toujours. Nous, les membres de l'Association internationale du Maître suprême Ching Hai, sommes aussi sincèrement reconnaissants pour votre gentillesse expressive. Nous vous adressons nos meilleurs vœux.
Le Maître suprême Ching Hai reçoit le soutien et l'amour de diverses organisations, médias, gouvernements et particuliers, et il lui décerne de nombreux prix, notamment le prix Gouzi de la paix en 2006, considéré comme le prix Nobel de la paix en Asie. Le prix du leadership spirituel mondial en 1994, le prix Mahavir en 2008, le 22 février et le 25 octobre, tous deux proclamés jour du Maître suprême Ching Hai. Et elle est la citoyenne honoraire des États-Unis, etc. Et elle a été honorée au fil des ans de nombreux autres prix et reconnaissances pour ses actions philanthropiques et humanitaires exceptionnelles. Nous nous excusons de ne pouvoir montrer les nombreux autres prix et honneurs par manque de place et de temps.
Le Maître suprême Chinkai remercie respectueusement tous les individus spéciaux, organisations, leaders et gouvernements pour tout votre soutien sincère, aimant et continuel. Que le ciel vous bénisse pour toujours. Nous, les membres de l'Association internationale du Maître suprême Chinkai, sommes aussi sincèrement reconnaissants pour votre gentillesse expressive. Nous vous adressons nos meilleurs vœux.
Véritable voix pour nos magnifiques amis les animaux, le Maître suprême Chinkai promeut l'alimentation végane, pacifique et aimante et rêve qu'une fois que l'humanité réalisera le caractère sacré de toute vie, nous aurons un monde totalement végane, paisible et glorieux, où les animaux et les humains vivront en harmonie parfaite. Ces initiatives pour diffuser la tendance végane sont multiples. Elles ont inclus la distribution du dépliant de modes de vie alternatifs, les restaurants véganes internationaux Lovengut, les sociétés de produits alimentaires véganes, des produits en fourrure végane, Supreme Master Télévision, ainsi que des conférences régulières avec les dirigeants de gouvernements et des médias, et sa participation à des conférences télévisées sur le changement climatique, etc. Que nous le sachions ou non, ces efforts ont eu une énorme influence en sensibilisant, de par le monde, au mode de vie qui respecte les animaux et au fait que cette voie bienveillante peut apporter une paix durable entre les nations, tout en sauvant notre planète du changement climatique et des catastrophes. Pendant des années, le Maître suprême Chinkai a voyagé dans le monde entier, des Amériques en Afrique, de l'Europe à l'Océanie, et elle a donné des centaines de conférences, en public ou à ses disciples, sur divers sujets spirituels. Aujourd'hui, nous sommes bénis de vous présenter une de ces conférences instructives intitulée « Histoire bouddhique, le mérite de la charité, le respect des 5 préceptes et Brahma demande le Dharma », 9e partie de 10 épisodes dans Entre maître et disciple, donné en anglais
le 3 août 2015.
Before he jumped into the fire, the Chakra, I don't want to mention this guy's name again, Chakra God come down again and hold his hand, the prince's hand, and ask him, please, Tari, I want to talk to you first. If a king has good merit and loving kindness, then all the citizens will also prosper and enjoy peace. We observe that the prince, you prince, has full of marriage and is really good for the people. And also the king have you as the successor, then he feel also very peaceful. Why? Because of such a stanza, this is a small short stanza. And then forsake all beings in your country. I think you should not do that. You should not be so stubborn. Yeah, he said that. So the prince say, the Chakra God comes also with a retinue of a lot of smaller gods and his entourage, yes. So he say, reverend all the gods. Yeah. I have observed also that many people only know when they're happy. They don't worry about the next day maybe have trouble or disaster. He know today alive, but he doesn't know the next day death. I sacrifice this body thus because I want to have this happiness, lasting happiness and bliss. For myself and for all others. It's not because I don't love my parents or don't love them, they're all beings or the citizens. Please do not, all of you, please do not try to stop me because this is a great cause. And then he immediately jump into the fire hole. This teacher, to burn in fire enough, why have to dig the hole? Yeah? And put fire at the bottom. So he cannot get out, right? Oh, God. What a mind, huh? You know everything. Or have you? You going through that?
I did.
You did? You burn it, you jump into the hole?
The lesson.
You read all that, you mean?
No.
Oh, lesson, okay. One day you tell us. Okay. You say you went through all that. How deep was the hole?
I don't think that I could not see the end.
What? You don't even see the end? So deep? Oh, God. You went to hell or something? You're forced to?
I almost was forced to.
Just to learn, right?
Somehow I...
Escape? Somehow what was that? I'm here. Okay. You were rescued, huh?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So he jumped into the fire, huh? And then all the heaven and earth trembled again. And everybody was so touched. Everyone was crying. And some cried very loud. And at the time that everyone was so sorrowful and frightened, and suddenly the whole fire turned into a lotus pond. Yeah, and all the beautiful fragrance come into people's nose, and they're happy. Yeah, and then a lot of flower from heaven just rain down on him. Even Chakra God and Brahman God have to praise the prince. Oh, precious, precious. To search for the truth like you will become Buddha. Yeah. World Honor One, the king at that time, is your father king in this lifetime. And your mother is the Maya queen, your mother at this time. And the prince who jumped into the fire hole was you. At that time, because of love for all beings, that you sacrificed thus. Now you have attained the great Buddhahood. Please stay and teach all beings, so that they will sail through the suffering sea with a guide, with an enlightened guide. And then he tell more story, but I think we stop. Huh? We should really thank the past masters, monks and nuns and scholars who have taken time to record the Buddha's teaching after the master's nirvana, and also for the past and present persons, lay or monks or nuns who have really dedicated themselves, sacrificed their time and precious health or under any difficult situation to translate this so that I can read it to you. And we have to thank them. And may they be blessed forever by all the Buddhas, past, present, and future. May their merit be immense. May they be liberated forever. Thank you. This is, at least for once, the God are merciful and humble. Huh? The rest is just go around testing and making trouble and making people suffer. So this Brahman, this time he's good. Yeah. He's almost dying also. He wants to know the truth before he lost his kingdom. So next time maybe we can continue. He's really determined to stop the Buddha going to Nirvana. He's really determined to keep the Buddha here. So he would keep telling all this sacrifice to remind the Buddha the purpose of his Buddhahood. Without this Brahman, the Buddha would have gone. to Nirvana, and we wouldn't have Buddhism. We wouldn't have all this story. Yeah, nobody would tell all this story and the other story. No Anand, nothing. So we also have to thank the Brahman God at that time, huh? We thank you. I sit here to do my job so that you can see me a little bit more. Understand, yeah? Yeah. Otherwise, I could go in the office and do it, you know? Okay, wow. There were airport for sale, you know? You heard that last night. On sale, and it's not very expensive. But I don't know, I was thinking airport. This is in the middle, airport. It's a big one, and it's in the middle of the land. Spain, you know, it's not near the sea or anything. There's a little pond or lake nearby, but I don't know, it probably has no trees and stuff like that, you know, just concrete, cement. I'm not sure if we will feel well in it, even though it is cheap. Big land, you know, have all facilities, all working condition. Do not cheat yourself, above all. You have to be honest with yourself, okay? It's not like I discourage you to become monks or nuns. To let someone become monk or nun is immense merit, according to Buddhism. You let your servant become a monk or nun, oh, immense merit. You let your brother, sister become monks, immeasurable merit. Life after life. Even the Buddha say, even if you build a whole big citadel of 7 precious stones, or fill the ocean with gold, the merit still cannot compare to someone who herself want to be a renunciate, or let somebody in your power to become a nun or monk. So I am not here. I'm not trying to stop you. You see? I wouldn't dare to do that. I just want you to know that it's not an easy way, okay? Yeah, it's okay. You don't have to be monks and nuns to be enlightened. You are already enlightened, all right? If you want to be monks and nuns, it's fine, but you have to be sincere, okay? Otherwise, you make trouble for me and defeat your purpose, yeah? Okay, huh? Yeah? Think about that. Thank you, all of you, for listening. I know, you don't say, but I know you love it. Even you don't say. I didn't do it anything. I didn't know. Oh, no. Who knows? Maybe you ask Brahma if I did it. I don't remember. Even if I did, yeah, this like maybe, yeah. But it's different kind of sacrifice, you know? It doesn't have to be so visible, or I say, recognizable. Yeah. Okay, good boys, good girls, I see you later. Yeah, I love you, and I feel very bad. The time always so short. You know? At least we have. Blink your eyes at the morning. Blink your eyes it's evening. Blink your eyes midnight already. And if we don't remember it's midnight, the neighbor will remember. Remember the story? The one friend visit another friend. And he saw a big gong, you know, in his doorway. He said, well, what are you putting that there for? He said, that's my clock. I said, what do you mean clock? He said, okay, I show you. And he come and bang, bang, bang. And then downstairs, you're knocking at the door. It's 2 o'clock in the morning. I love you all so much. I couldn't do enough for you. Remember, hold on to the rail, okay? I'm not talking too much. Really helpful. Take care of yourself. Yeah? Thank you, Master. Thank you, Master. I'm sorry. I could stay with you forever, honestly. Just just not possible on this planet. Maybe we have a better place than I stay longer, and then you can come and go, huh? Every weekend we appear at least, you know. From now on, if not here, then other place every weekend. At least weekend you can see me, okay? I'll try to stay, okay? If I can't, then I tell you, okay? As long as, you know, I can. Because sometimes just because of spiritual reason, I have to leave. But I'm trying to, this time I'm trying to organize it, you know?
Yes.
Like, instead of going there, I just draw it. Some place can, some place cannot. Yeah. Some place, sometimes I have to go there one time, at least one time, in order to make the connection and then draw it where I need to. Some place nowadays can. Up to now can. Recently can up to now. Recently can up to now. But I'm not sure about the future, you see?
Yeah.
The Brahman and the Chakra, they don't let me see the future so easily. Yeah. Ciao. Yeah. Love you so much. With me, and I can see you the student down there. And outside, you know, not my finished job yet. Oh man, what kind of people who don't ever have enough to see one person? Yeah, not like a movie star or anything. Yeah? Okay. Why are you sitting there?
I just came while I'm done.
Oh, you just come now? Did you have things to eat or not? Yeah? Did they have some extra food all the time? I told him yesterday. Some late coming people have something to calm their stomach, you know? Doesn't have to be luxury or anything, just something to calm the stomach because it's too much gastric. Especially after traveling, you know, your stomach don't feel well. If you don't eat something, then it's very sour inside and it could cause trouble, you know? Not because we really care too much about food, but traveling causes the stomach trouble, okay? Eat something before you sleep, okay? Eat something after this. Okay. Was it good, the story, yeah? Yeah. Tell you, all the gods are very naughty. Naughty gods. All the master is good. Yeah, master. What is all that down there? Cake?
Okay.
He said you never look and then make offering, you know? Before you make me bore holes. Take the cakes, please. I love you so much.
Gracieux téléspectateurs, nous apprécions votre compagnie pour l'épisode d'aujourd'hui intitulé « Histoire bouddhique, le mérite de la charité, le respect des 5 préceptes et Brahma demande le Dharma ». 9e partie de 10 épisodes dans Entre maître et disciple. Dans un instant, retrouvez un extrait du texte sacré du bouddhisme tibétain, les 100 000 chants de Milarepa, Milarepa et le pigeon, 2e et dernière partie dans Paroles de sagesse, juste après les nouvelles d'exception. Restez sur Supreme Master Télévision pour plus de programmes positifs. Que vos vies soient remplies d'amour inconditionnel et de bonté. Gracious viewers, we appreciate your company for today's episode entitled Buddhist Stories, The Merit of Charity. and Keeping the 5 Precepts, and Brahma Asks for Dharma, Part 9 of 10, on Between Masters and Disciples. Coming up next is from the holy text of Tibetan Buddhism, the 100,000 Songs of Milarepa, Milarepa and the Pigeon, Part 2 of 2, on Words of Wisdom, right after noteworthy news. Please stay tuned to Supreme Master Television for more positive programming. May your lives be filled with unconditional love and kindness.
Our programs offer many languages. Please visit suprememastertv.com/schedule and suprememastertv.com/BND.